Come on, Reds fishing. Would you look at this? There's just hardly any wind today. It's just a total breath of wind. This would have been nice the other day at the ship channel, huh? Very little wind. We're still here pretty early. Now, Mark, that is some nice gear you're wearing. 7-Day Addiction. You should have checked them out. Once again, these guys see me filming. They already know what's up. All good. The Fable, the Arroyo City bathroom. You gotta be brave to go in there. I'm feeling pretty brave enough. Look at that. We got an HLS guy with us. You see that? Come on, Reds. You too, man. Turn it up. And come on, Reds. Bait popping right here. We already got some. We already got some bait. We picked it up at the bait shop Arroyo City. Best bait shop in town. Fish on? Damn. Better get that net ready. Because I'm about to cast.
See what it did?
Let's see what he is. I'm not playing games. I'm not playing games. Oh, I saw that trout pop right there. There's a sand spot out there, you see it? Or a sandbar? What is that? Trout popped right there. That's exactly what I saw last week when I hooked up. Oh, there it is again! Yeah, Chido, out there by that spot. There's some fish going on out there. Right there. Come on, baby. Yep. Fish on. Go, baby. Big trout, man. Big old blue trout. And he threw out the lure. Woo! That's how we get it started right here, man. K-wigglers, and that is a K-wiggler trout. If I've ever saw one.
Oh yeah.
Big old solid trout and K-wigglers. Look at this big old baby. Nice big trout. He's got to be 20 at least. Oh yeah. Right? We'll get him. Fish on. First cast, baby. It's a trout. Shaking the head a lot. First cast, you saw that? First cast, the K-Wiggler. Oh man, he wants to get off. He's shaking his head a lot. It's a small one, man.
You don't make it, man.
No, I won't.
Yeah, well.
He swallowed it all the way to the leader, man. Look at that, baby. He really choked it. Hell yeah. Hell yes. Come on, where's that baby at? Oh, it's a nice one, man. It's a nice one. Swing him over here, man. Swing him over here. Don't get further. Nice one. Hell yes, Mark.
Mansfield. Oh yeah, Sam.
Another solid K-Wiggler trout, buddy. Chito on.
Small one.
Could be a trout, man. Trout. Keeper trout.
Keeper.
Nice one. All right, man. Oh yeah.
Let's go, man.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Alright guys, that'll be it for today for this episode of Come On Reds, but let me drop y'all some news for the very near future, man. Now this is something big. We have just paired up with this huge company, and let me tell you what it means for our channel, man. Let me tell you what it means for you guys. So much more content, all kinds of content. I'm gonna be producing content for their new channel that they're starting, and I'm super stoked about this, man. We're talking all kinds of outdoor content coming for their channel, and for us, oh man, this channel is about to explode, son. There's gonna be so much more fishing, so much more action, so much beefing up production. Man, it is about to pay off, man. Everything, all of this grinding we've been doing for the past year and a half, man, it is about to have a lot of fun in here, man. It's gonna get really loony in here, and I want y'all to be a part of it, man. All I need you to do is hit subscribe, like this video, like just like you've been doing watching, man. You have been so great, people. I love you all out here, but you need to hit subscribe if you want to be a part of what's about to happen. So just stick around, man, because this is going to be in a very near future. I'm talking about probably the next month. It is about to get insane. So please hit subscribe. Stick around for some huge things coming, huge things in the very near future. Come on, Reds.